Oh, it's starting to rain. You gotta hurry up and feed before the cows come. Ha. Where's the bull? Old Shaggy. Get what? Told me to get an easy bail. These ones are newer and it's a lot easier to cut them, I guess. He told me to get one because it's raining. Mom said to put it in a dirt spot. This looks like a dirt spot to me right here. Hey, you need to slow down. You're going... I'm gonna have to write you a ticket if I can catch up to you. Hey sis, were you driving? Were you driving? Or was it Brady? Can't even see her, bud.
What?
You're getting hay in her eyes.
What?
You're getting hay in her eyes. But that would not feel very good if I ran over one of their hooves. It'd be really bad if this came back and hit the window. These hay bales are so big this barely fits on them. It's good enough. Once they eat it down, it'll go down.